Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an astronaut outfit on Dress to Impress. So get this and toggle to the third one, color it white, and if you can, add like the metallic material. Same as this, like try to do it for everything so it's like more shiny, and yeah. You do need VIP for this, so I'm sorry. Select no feathers and do like black metallic for every color. Like that. And then we'll be using these futuristic glasses and we're going to basically do the same thing in black. For the outfit, I'm going to use this one in white. And then I'm going to also do white for everything. You can kind of like change the colors if you'd like to, but I just prefer it this way. Then I'm going to add this on as well in the like metallic black. Or you can also do glitter, I guess, so it looks like you're looking at stars. For the pants, I'm just going to use this in white, metallic. And I'm going to use this as well in that like metallic pattern. Then for the gloves, I'm going to use this in metallic white. I'm also going to add this too. For the shoes, I'm going to use these again in metallic white. I'm sure you guys are already bored of me saying metallic white. And I'm just going to add like a backpack because astronauts use that, I guess. And to take a picture so it looks a little bit better, I'm just going to go to the backgrounds here. And I'm going to color this pattern like the stars, or you can use the other one, which is up here. I saved it. And you can kind of change the like point light here if you'd like to like a pink, so you guys can see the shine a little bit better, like that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.